Hola y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. Yo soy Juan, I am Juan, and I am one of the Spanish teachers of the Spring Spanish family. In this video, te voy a enseñar cómo hablar de tu familia en español. Acompáñenme. Padre, father. Madre, mother. Hijo, son. Hija, daughter. Hermano, brother. Hermana, sister. Abuelo, grandfather. Abuela, grandmother. Tío, uncle. Tía, aunt. Primo, cousin, masculine. Prima, cousin, feminine. Esposo, husband. Esposa, wife. Please note that in Spanish, the plural default expression, if there's at least one male involved, is generally the masculine plural. So for parents, we say padres. For children, as in sons and daughters, we say hijos. For siblings, hermanos. For grandparents, yeah, you guessed, abuelos. If you come from a big family and have many siblings, aunts, or cousins, you can use mayor, older, and menor, younger, in expressions like this. Mi hermana mayor es alta. Mi hermana mayor es alta. My older sister is tall. Mi padre es menor que mis tíos. Mi padre es menor que mis tíos. My father is younger than my uncles. A tu primo menor le gusta el fútbol. A tu primo menor le gusta el fútbol. Your younger cousin likes soccer. These are very useful chunks you can learn by heart to start speaking about your family in Spanish. If you want to give more details about your family, then you want to use es and está to describe situational, physical, or personality traits about them. Tu papá es ingeniero. Es el mayor de sus hermanos. Your dad is an engineer. He's the older brother. Mi hermana está embarazada. My sister is pregnant. Nuestros primos están en Estados Unidos. Our cousins are in the United States. If you want to know more about the verb ser, estar, the verb to be, just check Mariana's video where she has great chunks prepared for you about that. I'm gonna leave the link to her video right there you go, right here. Ahora sabes cómo hablar de tu familia inmediata. Now you know how to talk about your immediate family. But what about your familia política? Family-in-law. These are the words to use. Suegro. Suegro. Father-in-law. Suegra. Suegra. Mother-in-law. Cuñado. Cuñado. Brother-in-law. Cuñada. Cuñada. Sister-in-law. Yerno. Yerno. Son-in-law. Nuera. Nuera. Daughter-in-law. Now, let me give you some chunks about myself. Mi hermana tiene una hija. My sister has one daughter. Mi sobrina es argentina. Es una bebé. My niece is Argentinian. She's a baby. Mi padre y mi madre están felizmente casados. My father and mother are happily married. Mi mamá es baja y mi papá es alto. My mom is short and my dad is tall. Yo estoy casado. Mi esposa es venezolana y morena. I am married. My wife is Venezuelan and a brunette. También se enoja fácilmente. She also gets angry really easy. Es un chiste, It's a joke. No, epa, hey, ¿qué estás haciendo con eso? No, wait, it was a joke, no, wait, no. Buenísimo.